Pitep nga syabut din kak hakini kisngi. Ngas ngoting bahati. Ngam ngosngan syo banwan pashi yang marweiru.
Sngotiang gain kum tati. Ngaru ngas ngosi fitep bangam ngosngan syo wat lahayeng lajong ru.
Jayu.
Ngampat ya thu yano ru syapangkania. Ilok jonga isyo abet yang aman kesngi.
Download ya ke MEG-CopWatch App mentah. Login dah ke Facebook, lani ke Google. Nyon yuk panic button bat batai ya ke jaka bapidon sya ke police station ke berjantam. Yarap ya ke tenat pulit Meghalaya bat yarap ya pi.
Ka MEG-CopWatch App ka sinjam jong katnat pulit ka Meghalaya ban syakri khamha nga yala diru ngala pindan kam bat kalong ka babyang bha. Katanat pulit Meghalaya kalayarap shi ka day e.
Ka MEG-CopWatch App kalayarap shi ka day e yang smat bat nga dayaro shi sya e ya katanat pulit ka Meghalaya na benta ka ni. Sngo ba download ya ka ni ka app menta.
You know what? I've been stalked these days. And it's so scary, really. I don't even feel safe to go back home alone, you know.
That's really scary, yeah. Sadly, I am not even safe within the four walls of my home.
What is it? Tell me.
Actually, I've not told anybody about this, you know. My husband beats me frequently these days.
The MEG-CopWatch app, it's a great initiative by the Meghalaya Police. I myself use it and the response was great. And the Meghalaya Police were very, very helpful.
The MEG-CopWatch app has been of a great help for me personally, and now it makes me feel safe too. And I really appreciate Meghalaya Police for this. Download the app now.